Good day everyone. Our topic for today is all about nutrients deficiency in plants. So what is nutrients deficiency? In plants occurs when a plant is unable to obtain an adequate supply of essential nutrients, resulting in various growth problems and visible symptoms. Each nutrient plays a unique role in plant health and its deficiency can lead to specific issues. Ano nga bang ibig sabihin yan? Ang nutrient deficiency sa plants nangyayari lamang yan kapag kulang ang nakukuhang essential nutrients ng halaman. Because of this, nagkakaroon ng growth problems at visible symptoms. Bawat nutrient may sariling role kaya kapag may kulang, may specific na problema na lalabas sa halaman. There are 13 unique roles that includes in nutrients deficiency in plants. It contains nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, manganese, zinc, boron, copper, molybdenum, chlorine deficiency. I will explain each of it, so let's talk about nitrogen first. Nitrogen, sintomas, naninilaw ang older leaves, mabagal ang paglaki. Solusyon, compost, manure. Halimbawa, mais na payat at dilaw ang dahon. Phosphorus, sintomas, purple or dark green ang older leaves, mahina ang ugat. Solusyon, bone meal. Halimbawa, palay na mabagal tumubo. Potassium, sintomas, dilaw o sunog ang edges ng dahon, mahina ang tangkay. Solusyon, wood ash. Halimbawa, kamatis na kunti at pangit ang bunga. Calcium, sintomas, deform ang new leaves, may blossom and root. Solusyon, lime. Halimbawa, kamatis na may itim sa ilalim ng bunga. Magnesium, sintomas, naninilaw between veins ng older leaves. Solusyon, Epsom salt. Halimbawa, sili na dilaw ang gitna ng dahon. Sulfur, sintomas, dilaw ang young leaves, mabagal ang growth. Solusyon, gypsum. Halimbawa, mustasa na maputla ang kulay. Iron, sintomas, naninilaw between veins ng new leaves. Solusyon, iron chelate. Halimbawa, kalamansi na maputla ang bagong dahon. Manganese, sintomas, may dilaw at brown spots yung leaves. Solusyon, manganese sulfate. Halimbawa, pechay na batik-batik na dahon. Zinc, sintomas, maliit at distorted na dahon, dikit-dikit. Solusyon, zinc sulfate. Halimbawa, mais na pandak at siksik ang dahon. Boron, sintomas, patay ang growing trip, brittle ang stem. Solusyon, borax, konti lang. Halimbawa, cauliflower na hindi bumubuo ng ulo. Copper, sintomas, nalalanta ang young leaves, delayed ang flowering. Solusyon, copper sulfate. Halimbawa, sibuyas na mahina at walang bulaklak. Molybdenum, sintomas, dilaw at nakakap ang dahon. Solusyon, sodium molybdate. Halimbawa, sitaw na naninilaw ang dahon. Chlorine, sintomas, wilting at chlorosis, bihira. Solusyon, potassium chloride. Halimbawa, repolyo na madaling malanta. That's all. Hope you learned a bit from me. Thank you.